K. Solanki. I'm corporate GM for Oris. Welcome to Nautanki Gali, where we are standing right now. Nautanki Gali is a theme-based restaurant on a village theme where we have a lot of elements. If you see just behind me, there's the auto parked where we can sit and dine, where nobody can imagine also that you can be dining in a auto anytime. We have a lot of elements in this restaurant, which like tailor shop, barber shop, a tea shop. There is a big mango tree in middle of the restaurant where we have one of the biggest spread in town for buffet. This is again one of the creation from all theme restaurants all across Oris. From Serengeti to 70mm to Silver Metro, this is one of the new creation from the House of Oris, where I welcome all of you to come and dine and enjoy the food. Cafe Loop is lounge kind of a setup where it's like a 24-hour coffee shop. We have a lot of interactive things, very happening music, and snacks kind of a place where people can hang out. It's like a new hangout joint in Twin Cities. When we started thinking of the restaurant as a village theme and a street all across India where we go outside and see what are there, the elements in outskirts. So we created and we thought of all, collected everything and created in middle of a big city where people can come and enjoy their old time or village days, I would say. These kind of orders you'll not see in big cities. So I thought let's put one in the restaurant.